Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mowli and welcome to another makeup tutorial episode where I will be creating right this look I'm already in, and this is a super long lasting makeup look which I have tried to create this today. And this particular makeup is going to be totally mask proof makeup because we cannot go out without a mask in this situation because of coronavirus. So today I have created this mask proof makeup look with minimal products, and it is not that much tough to create this particular look. And as you can see, today I have created a wing liner. So when I will create that particular wing liner, there is a small twist, so you will see that later on. So I think enough of an intro. So if you're interested to know how I've got this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so starting off with a primer. Here I'm using Color Bar primer. It's a nice drugstore primer, and I think the texture is similar to the Nykaa one, so I love this stuff. Firstly, I'm just spreading it all over on my face, and mostly I'm just focusing it on my T-zone, and I'm just gently blending it. After that, let's move on to foundation. For foundation, I'm using here Nykaa Skin Shield foundation. It's a nice medium coverage foundation, but it has a really runny consistency, which I don't like. So I'm just spreading it all over on my face and neck, and after that I'm blending it with the help of a beauty blender. The foundation was little bit whiter, so that's why I'm using here my most favorite affordable budget concealer, which is Swiss Beauty concealer, and it's a little bit yellow undertone concealer. I'm taking the yellow undertone today and I'm placing it on my usual places like bridge of the nose, under eye portion, a little bit on the smile area, and because I express a lot, so I get a lot of smile lines. So I'm just spreading it all over on my face with the help of the beauty blender, and it is a dry beauty blender. To set the foundation and concealer, here I'm using Faces Canada All Time Pro powder. I love this stuff. It has different variant shades which I like, and I'm just spreading it all over on my face with the applicator which come itself with the product, and I love this applicator, guys. Let's move on to bronzing, and I'm using this MAC bronzer in the shade Matte Bronze. It has 4 different shades, and I love this particular shade. It's similar and it's perfect for medium to dusky skin tone. So if you're from my skin tone, definitely go ahead. I'm also doing a little bit of forehead contouring, as you can see. For blush, here I'm using Wet n Wild Color Icon blush. I don't want a lot of focus or a lot of pink glow on my cheek today, so I'm just going with a very subtle blush, as you can see, and I'm just placing it on the apple of the cheeks with a really fluffy blush brush. To set the whole thing, here I'm using Faces Canada All Time Pro Makeup Fixer, and I have gone a little bit overboard, so I'm just soaking the excess with the help of the beauty blender, as you can see. Let's move on to eyebrow. Here I'm using Mars eyebrow pencil. No, it's not a pencil, it's the powder. Sorry guys, mistake. And I'm just filling in my sparse areas, and after that I'm just doing the border on the starting point of my eyebrow, and on the starting point of my eyebrow I am drawing some vertical strokes, as you can see. Let's move on to the main part, which is the wing liner, and today I will be drawing the wing liner with the help of a lipstick. This is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Protector, which is a beautiful maroon undertoned lipstick. I love this particular one, and I'm taking a liner brush. It's a very tiny liner brush, and I'm making sure that the brush is nicely coated with the lipstick, and I'm drawing a really long thick wing liner here. also drawing a little bit of tiny liner on the lower lash line as well with the same lipstick. After that, I'm taking this Maybelline Lemonade Crisp palette, and I have taken this nice very light brown shade with a pencil brush, and I'm just placing it on the lower lash line just to make a little bit of smoky look on the lower lash line. I'm not placing any shadow on the eyelid or on the crease line. And to coat my lashes, here I'm using Physicians Formula mascara, and I'm coating my upper and lower lashes. As you can see, the spoolie of this product is really thick, you guys, so you will definitely enjoy it. Going in with a little bit of yellow undertone highlighter, and today I'm taking this 04 Stellar shade from PAC. It's a beautiful highlighter and I love this stuff. I'm just placing it on my usual places like apple of the cheeks, brow bone, starting point of my eyebrow, little bit on the collarbone, little bit on the bridge of the nose, and cupid's bow, everywhere. And the finishing touch is lipstick, and I'm taking the same shade to coat my lips. And here we go. This is my final finished look for you guys. And yes, with that, my final finished look is here for you guys, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it while watching this video. All the products I have used are going to link in the bottom part, so you can check those out. And yeah, that's it for today. If you find this video helpful and enjoyable, then please do not forget to like it and also share it with your friends and family. And before skipping this video, if you're new to this channel, please take a small moment to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever I will post new videos in future. And yeah, I will see you soon with a brand new one. Until we meet next time, I love you all. Stay happy, stay beautiful, take care, bye.